گزشتہ سال پہلگام فالس فلیگ آپریشن کے ڈی جی ISPR نے 30 اپریل کو بریفنگ دی جس پر لیفٹیننٹ جنرل احمد شریف چودھری نے پہلگام فالس فلیگ سے پردہ اٹھایا تھا۔ ڈی جی ISPR نے جو سوالات اور خدشات بھارت کے سامنے رکھے ان کا جواب 1 سال بعد بھی نہیں مل سکا ہے۔ پہلگام فالس فلیگ آپریشن پر ترجمان پاک فوج کے 1 سال قبل اٹھائے گئے سوالات کے باوجود آج تک کوئی جواب نہ آ سکا۔
You an orientation of the area. If you see, this is the crow distance from the Badori Bulge. At the place, it is approximately 100 kilometers. And on the road and tracks, it is more than 200 kilometers. But that is from the tip of the Badori Bulge. From any nearest Pakistani town, let's say Bagh, it's even much more. So what we are trying to do here is to walk you through facts of this incident rather than the allegations that are being made. So if the allegation is that it's the Pakistan-based so-called terrorists did this incident, then you need to be cognizant of where it lies, how far deep it is inside the illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. If you see the terrain on this map slide, you will see that it's quite hilly. It's not the sort of terrain which is very friendly and not a sort of terrain where all weather fair roads exist. It's mostly on 4x4 and the horseback that the travel is being done over there. There's a track, then comes the road. So approximately it takes, we can estimate that about 30 minutes for someone to move from the incidentized site to the police station. So if the incident as per the FIR was from 13:50 and it is 14:20 hours. So how it was humanly possible that within 10 minutes the police was there, evaluated the situation, went back and registered the FIR. And if we see this FIR closely, the FIR lodged after 10 minutes states that these were across the border. The handlers of this incident were across the border. So they established it in 10 minutes. While the incident was going on, before that, the intelligence or the security was so flat that the incident happened, there was no intelligence, but within 10 minutes, they had such complete intelligence that they were established that it was across the border handlers. And secondly, it says over there that there was indiscriminate firing. However, we also know that a consistent narrative is being made that this act of terrorism was done on base of religion, that it was the segregation was done and Hindus were killed. If you please see this clip which has been made at the time of incident.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
You can see that the firing and whatever happening is not, there is no discrimination or segregation being done. Are the people being segregated, identified on the basis of religion? You can see in the background while this video is being made, right at the time of incident. Because this is that incident on the basis of which the segregation on the basis of religion has been claimed. Because the facts speak for themselves. On the next clip, he is the brother of the Muslim victim of this act of killing of the innocent citizens over there.
मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि हिंदू मुस्लिम ये सब गलत है, क्योंकि मेरा भाई जो है जीती जागती मिसाल है उसका। ये जो बोल रहे हैं कि खाली हिंदू को टारगेट किया गया, उसमें मेरा भाई भी है, वो मुस्लिम है। ये गलत बात है, इन्होंने मतलब गलत चीज फैलाई है।
So why this self-made narrative is being made? You see that immediately after incident at about 3 o'clock, the social media, the particular social media handlers in India started breaking the news exactly at 3:05 on the social media. A handle which is closely affiliated with their agencies put the blame on Pakistan. Says Pakistan attacked Pahalgam through its proxies. Then the electronic media also comes into play. At 3:30, the electronic media is also saying that it's the Pakistan that is being done.
There are reports coming in of 4 tourists who have been targeted. They've been attacked by the terrorists in Pahalgam.
Well, telltale signs of Pakistan's involvement is now emerging behind the Pahalgam terror attack.
So this confirmation is clear now that there were Pakistani terrorists.
Pakistan is not willing to digest that so much improvement has taken place in Jammu and Kashmir. So Pakistan is going to keep making such attempts.
The allegations of Pakistan being responsible started coming within minutes while the evidence is still awaited. And on the next social media post, which is at around 4 o'clock, you can see they were sure and they started saying that it is the Islamist terrorists that have killed tourists. So the narrative of the Islamist terrorists, while we are absolutely clear that terrorism has no religion. There are no Islamic terrorists, there are no Christian terrorists, and there are also no even Hindu terrorists, because terrorists have no religion. These social media accounts that started propagating that it's Pakistan, it's Islamic terrorism, they have been in play in this business of terrorism much before. If we want to understand what happened at Pahalgam, that what are the people there in India and Kashmir seeing?
10 लाख से ज्यादा यहाँ पर आर्मी है. अगर यहाँ पर पोस्ट कोई शेयर करेगा ना, उसको रात में ही उठा लेंगे. अगर कोई पोस्ट गलत करेगा कोई शेयर, अगर यहाँ पर इतना फौज है, वो क्या कर रही है, वो जख मार रहे हैं. वहाँ पर 200 बंदे थे, तब वहाँ पर क्यों नहीं आर्मी थी, क्यों नहीं थी, वो कहाँ गई?
पहलगाम की जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? जिम्मेदारी तो सरकार ने लेनी चाहिए. पहलगाम की जिम्मेदारी, 27 लोगों की जान गई, वहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी क्यों नहीं थी, क्यों निकाली गई? तो तुम्हारा इंटेलिजेंस क्या कर रहा था? वो फेलियर नहीं है, ये सरकार का फेलियर नहीं है. ये प्लान करके मत करो.
सरकार तो गई हुई है, मतलब इतना बड़ा आतंकवादी का हमला हुआ, हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं है. पूरे आर्मी का देश है, उन्हें पता ही नहीं है.
चक्के नाकों पर आप हर जगह आपको मिलिट्री दिखेगी, पुलिस दिखेगी, सीआरपीएफ दिखेगी. किस लिए? बॉर्डर पे हैं तो कहां से आए, जहां तक पहुंचे हैं तो वापस कहां गए? जिस तरीके से किया गया रिटेलिएशन नहीं हो सकता है.
अगर 7 लाख से 12 लाख के आसपास यहाँ सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस है, उसके बावजूद उनको ये पता नहीं इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर.
3 टायर सिक्योरिटी रहते हुए भी एक ऐसा लैब्स हुआ, और ये सिक्योरिटी लैब्स है.
What happened to our intelligence? Have we failed somewhere? And if we have, why have we failed?
इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर है, सिक्योरिटी फेलियर है. यहाँ 7 लाख फौजी है जमा कश्मीर में. एक छोटा सा इलाका है, 7 लाख फौज है, वो कहाँ है?
वहाँ पे गाड़ी नहीं जा रही है, पैदल इंसान जा रहा है. सिक्योरिटी इतनी है कि वहाँ से टेररिस्ट कहाँ से आ गए? वहाँ कहीं ना कहीं इनकी एजेंसी अटैक करवाती है.
The questions that the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister has raised, they are being echoed also within from India, because the facts are there for the people to see.
पुलवामा 1 में कोई उत्तर नहीं मिला देशवासियों. ये संयोग नहीं है, प्रयोग है. पूरी देश की जनता, मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, पूरी देश की जनता. देखिए, काफी लोगों को ये नहीं पता है कि पहलगाम कहाँ है, चंदनवाड़ी कहाँ है, बिसू टॉप कहाँ है, गणेश टॉप कहाँ है, शेषनाग कहाँ है, अमरनाथ क्या है.
आज 3 दिन हो गए हैं, अभी तक एक भी इस्तीफा क्यों नहीं आया, या कोई भी किसी ने भी अकाउंटेबिलिटी क्यों नहीं लिया है? आप क्या सरकार और क्या डिफेंस और क्या आप होम मिनिस्ट्री चला रहे हैं? आपसे अभी तक वो आतंकवादी पकड़े तक नहीं गए हैं. बेवकूफ नहीं है हम लोगों को सब समझ आता है.
कोई इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर नहीं था, इंटेलिजेंस इनपुट्स होने के बावजूद अटैक हो गया.
ये घटना घटी है, इससे लाभ किसको हो रहा है? कहाँ ढूंढते फिरोगे भाई? जो तो आपके बीच में यही घूम रहा हो. क्या कोई कश्मीर के लोग अपने यहाँ पे घटना करके आबाद होंगे?
This is the sister of the naval officer killed in that incident. That for 1.5 hours he kept on bleeding. So they could file, they can do the evaluation within 10 minutes that what happened, and they had filed an FIR against Pakistan. Within minutes, their social media is saying, and their officer is bleeding for 1.5 hours.